Okay, this is a very important time, guys. We are unboxing the Takashi Murakami and Louis Vuitton Cherry Blossom Drop. It's the part 2. The pre-order came out on Friday, which was actually early access, not pre-order. And it was online March 14th, really early in the morning, 8 a.m. Central. And I was lucky enough to cop 2 bags, one of which arrived today. And today is only Monday, March 17th. So it took only a couple of days for this to arrive. Let me show you the bag. We got an Alma BB. Oh, cute. Okay, so they didn't do the cool packaging like they did the first drop, which I'm really salty because the first drop I also didn't get any of the cool packaging. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Can you see it? I need to take a picture really quick, so one moment. She is here. Okay, so let's take this out. This is the packaging that we have with the Murakami ribbon around it. You can see all over. And then I'm assuming this is like the invoice. Let's take a look at this. It is indeed my receipts from LV. Okay, I know what I purchased, so this is great. Okay, so I'll set this aside. I'm going to start off by opening the ribbon. Okay. Putting this here. Just gonna open it like that. And are you ready for this? The reveal. Oh, I forgot it's in a dust bag. Okay. Oh, I can smell it. I smell it already. All right. Let's take this baby out. She is here. Oh, it's smaller than I imagined. I've never had a BB before, so this is my very first Alma BB. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Look at this. Look at this. I need to be really careful. Wow. Okay, take a moment. You can see the texture. Look at the detail of it. See the quality of it. Oh, the flowers, really pretty. Here's the bottom of it. And then a closer look at the top. You can see the zipper. The zipper. Oops. Let's open it up. Okay.
Oh, very smooth.
Oh, it's hard to open. And inside is going to be the strap, a very thin strap here. And then the little clip.
Not adjustable.
Where does this go? On here?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see this? Put it on there. This is non-adjustable, so one length. Bye bye me. And put this. Does it go on top? I think it goes on top. Oh my gosh. Struggling. Okay. So I guess you can wear it however you want, but I just put one on each side so it balances better. Here's the cute little tag. Alma BB. There's the item number if you want to look it up. It's sold out though, so. Okay, inside we have the little lock. Love the lock. Let's see if there's anything special about this lock. Nope, just the regular lock. It says Louis on it. LV on the other side. And then it'd be cute if they put like TMX LV or vice versa. The keys, normal keys, nothing special about them. I'll put that back in here. And then inside is nice and smooth. There's nothing crazy. So interior is synthetic textile and exterior is vachetta leather. Let's see. The inside is really cute because you can see here it says 20-year anniversary celebration. Louis Vuitton and Murakami and some little icons there. Again, here's the outside. And I think it's super cute. Made in France, everyone. She is made in France. But she got to me in like 2 days, 3 days. Saturday, Sunday. 3 days, less than 3 days. Okay. Now I'm just waiting for my second bag to come in. I got the, I don't know how to pronounce it, Boulogne bag, which I also don't have that style, so it'll be my first one. I'll probably do an unboxing. We'll see. But this one I am for sure keeping. She is so cute. Okay, well, thanks for watching. And stay tuned, maybe. I'll make some more videos about her. Oh, look at that. Look at the side. Can you read that? It doesn't say anything on this side, but she's pretty. Okay, goodbye.